I just did my makeup, so I'm getting ready with you guys, and you can see exactly how to use their products. I love to start off with a heat protectant to make sure that when I'm curling my hair every day, I'm not damaging it. So just a few quick sprays and we'll get started. It is so easy to use the TYME iron to curl your hair. All you need to know is 3 simple steps. Number 1, thumb is behind the power button. Number 2, when your hair is in the iron, you're gonna twist it like you're riding a bike or a motorcycle. Number 3, you wanna make sure that line is pulling away from your head towards the mirror. My thumb is behind the power button. I'm gonna put my hair in, twist it, and pull it away from my head and towards the mirror like so. And we have such an easy, pretty curl. So let's curl the rest of my hair now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now how to curl the right side of your hair. Sometimes your dominant side can be a little more challenging because you're using your opposite hand. TYME offers a free 30-minute consultation with a stylist to learn how to do it. And a 1-inch section of hair, comb it through a bit. This is my right side, so I'm taking my left hand. Twist it and pull it towards the mirror and away from me. I love to add a little twist at the end to make sure that my curls last all day long. So guys, it's so easy to curl your hair with the TYME iron. Now I'm just gonna put a little hairspray in and I'll be ready to go. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you had a great time. See ya.